Hello kids, now we are going to paint a carrot. Carrot is my favorite vegetable. So let's start painting. Oh, we took a green paint. Leaves of carrot has painted with a green color. Oh wow! Here we took a red color. Let's start painting. I love to eat a carrot. It looks so nice. Wow! Yes, we have completed. But with a new vegetable. Oh wow! This is a potato. Let's start to paint a potato with a brown color. Yummy! Potato is looking so beautiful with the brown paint. Yes, brilliant! We have done this. This is a eggplant. So let's start to paint eggplant. We took green color. Wow! Let's start to paint a pumpkin. Pumpkin is a orange color. We took a orange color. So let's start paint. Orange color is looking so nice. It's time to paint its top with a green color. Yes, we have completed.